The fishbone diagram, also known as cause and effects diagram, is a visual representation that helps us identify, analyze, and understand the root causes of a problem. Imagine it as a fish skeleton, with the spine showing the problem and the bones branching out as potential causes. Now, let's explore the fishbone diagram structure. At the top of the diagram, where the fish head is located, we place the problem statement. The main branches extending from the spine represent categories of potential causes. These categories can include people, method, machine, materials, environment, and measurement or measurement system. Within these categories, primary causes are noted along the bones, while secondary causes can be detailed in the smaller bones. Let's consider a practical example at a delivery company. Imagine too many return orders as a problem. Considering the people category, one of its primary causes is packing wrong item. Its secondary cause could be outdated work instruction. Similarly, specific causes within other categories can be identified and listed, contributing to the overall problem. In general, the fishbone diagram promotes a systematic approach to problem solving, encourages team collaboration, and provides a visual representation that enhances understanding. By addressing the root causes, we can implement targeted solutions for continuous improvement.